Struggling to find your bank code in Wise? I know that feeling. You're trying to send or receive money internationally and everything's ready to go, but then you hit that wall. You need a SWIFT or a BIC code and you just cannot find it in your Wise account. It causes delays, failed transfers, and a whole lot of frustration. Well, I am going to show you exactly where it is in 3 clicks. No digging around, no guessing, just straight to the answer. So, here is the plan.
First, go ahead and log into your Wise account like you normally would. Once you are in, follow these 3 simple steps, and your bank code will be right there in front of you. All right, let us get started. The very first thing you need to do is navigate to your main balance page. This is where you can see all the different currencies you have money in. So, once you are logged into Wise on your computer, look for the currency you need the bank code for. This is the account you are trying to send money from or receive money into. Go ahead and simply click directly on the name of that currency. For example, if you need the bank details for your US dollar account, click on US dollar. It sounds simple, and it is. We are just telling Wise which account we want to look into. And here is a little tip from my own experience. Make sure you are clicking on the name of the currency itself, not a button to add money or convert it. Just the plain name of the currency. You will know you are in the right spot when you see your balance and the recent activity for that account. This is the home base for that specific account. It might take a moment to load, especially if you have a lot of transactions, so just give it a second. Now that you are on that currency's balance page, we need to get one step deeper. You will see your account number listed there. It will look like a long string of digits. This number is unique to your specific account with Wise. Go ahead and click directly on that account number. Do not worry, you are not going to change anything by clicking it. This just opens up a window with all of the detailed banking information for that account. And this is the key step. By clicking on that number, you are pulling up the official record that the other bank will use to send or receive your money, so you really are in the right place. Finally, we are going to find the bank code. A new panel or page will slide out or open up, showing you your full account details. You will see your name, your address, and the full account number again. Now, to find the bank code, simply look a little further down that list. You are looking for a field that says something like bank code, or SWIFT code, or BIC. Wise uses different names depending on the currency and the country, but it will be clearly labeled right there. Now, pay close attention to this one. For some currencies, like US dollars, your bank code will be a routing number or an ABA number. For others, like British pounds or euros, it will be a SWIFT or a BIC code. The label on screen will tell you exactly what you need to copy. Once you see it, just click the copy icon right next to it, and you are all set. You can now paste that code into your bank transfer form or give it to the person who is sending you money. And that is it. From being stuck and searching everywhere, you now know exactly where to find that bank code in just 3 clicks. Go ahead and complete your transfer with confidence. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.